There it goes. Touch everybody watching. Hi. Bring it forward. Not great forward. Look at that, Duke. Ooh. Oh, wow. Now it comes all the way. Look at that. What are you staring at right now? Look at something.
I just made a new online course called How to Massage Your Own Dog.
So we're back with Duke. I've worked with you before. Do you remember me? It was a while ago. I think it might have been even a year and a half ago. Early flex. May I get this for you if I just do a quick little adjustment? What do you think? Got it. Ooh, that made a little pop. If I can get a little adjustment. That's C6. Got it. Ooh, he just licked his lips. Oh my God. Here's the trade. And then the train came by, and now we lost him.
And I don't know if he's coming back.
Could you go get him?
He's not gonna come back.
All right, Duke. You did this last time too. You just stare off. We're all staring.
So I had wanted, we got our first dog, and I always grew up in like a family of multiple dogs. Mm-hmm. So I kept telling Joe, my husband, I said, we need a second dog, we need a second dog, we need a second dog. And he's like, no, you got your first dog. But I'm very persistent.
Yes.
So I said, okay, if I can't get a dog, I'll foster a dog. Because secretly, I knew if I could just get him in the house, he would stay.
Oh, and that's what happened.
So I went off to foster a dog, and he never left.
And how long ago were you fostering him?
So I got him around maybe like 4 months, and he is 10 years old now.
Wow, that's a long foster. When do you have to decide whether you're going to give him back?
I think I decided, like, it was like 2 weeks, and I was like, okay, he's not leaving.
Yeah. So you're going to be around for a while.
Yeah.
What do you think of that? That's good.
His original fun fact, his original name was Doodle.
So it went from Doodle to Duke.
To Doodle, because Joe was like, I am not yelling Doodle out the back door, like, to come inside.
Yeah. That was not like...
And you know, Duke is like so much more brolic.
Yeah,
like,
he's cool.
And breed-wise, he's a Staffy Chow Chow Alaskan Malamute. So
wow, you got all these great breeds in you.
Yeah, so I felt like he needed like
and
more
he's very
like
stoic.
Yeah, like he needed like more regal names. So we went with Duke. And cool thing about him is he howls at the train.
Yeah, I heard him earlier.
Yeah,
the train goes by and he howls.
Yeah.
I think Joe instigates it a little.
Yeah, Joe likes to howl back and get him going.
All right, so Joe's her husband.
Yes.
And she's been working with medically challenged dogs for 10 or 11 years now. We've made over 30 videos together, so there's a whole playlist if you've ever seen them or want to go back and see. Oh, I'm boring you. You're now yawning. And so we're going to get going. We're going to do just a little adjustment on Duke and see what's going on. Now, he doesn't have really any medical challenges compared to your other dogs.
No, he actually doesn't. He's probably the most normal dog that I have, quote unquote normal.
Of all your normal dogs.
The only thing about him is he's very shy. So he's friendly, but he's shy. So he kind of like keeps to himself. He's not really the most confident dog, but he's a good boy.
Let's because you like to look up at the sky. Let's see. Look, that's a great range of motion. You're very good looking up. Let's see if you can look down though. You can. You like show off your range of motion all the time. Say hello.
Hi, buddy.
And then come down again. Okay, good. Let's take your head all the way this way. Hi, how you doing? Nice to meet you. And then come this way. Oh, you're a little slow that way. You feel like, look, this way. Duke, I'm talking to you. Duke, when you go left, you got better range of motion. Here, watch. Great. And then when you go this way, it's really stiff because it was up. There it goes. Whew. Take a breath. I didn't even ask if I could work with you. Can I work with you today, Duke? A little late now because I just adjusted his neck. But Duke, do you think I can work with you again? All right, I hope so. Can I work with Duke?
Of course.
Let's check that range of motion now to the right. And still more. Duke, what's going on with your neck? There we go. Oh, wow. All right. Now let's see it now. Now it comes all the way in. Look at that.
There we go.
Good. So Duke, you had a little problem here. So I did C2, then I dropped down to C5. That's why I had to get more out of there. Let's take that front leg forward and pull it in. And reach out and touch everybody watching. Hi. Good. Let's do this side. Hi, Duke. I'm going to look at your left leg now. Left front leg, pulling it in. Your little wrists and elbows. And push that out. Yes. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Bring it back in. Good. You're a good dog. I think I got the neck pretty well. So we're going to come down here. Let's spin around so I give you a little room yourself.
You're going to lay down?
Okay.
Does that work?
This is perfect.
Okay.
I'll just move back. I'm sitting on a box, but I'll move my box over and I'll sit next to you. And we're just going to come down your back. So we already checked the cervicals. Now I'm going to be up here in the upper thoracics. You have 7 bones in your neck, 13 in your mid-back or your thoracic area. Those are the ones that have a rib attached to it. And then 7 bones in your lumbars, okay? And we're coming down. There's your lower back in there. This is where the thoracic ends. You can tell because here's the end of the rib. And then we start with 7 lumbars. Oh, am I boring you also, brown dog?
At first I thought she was judging you.
She was boring. She's like, oh my God. 7, 13, 7. I've heard of that before. All right, so now here we are. And now we're in the lumbars. And this is where you get locked up. This is one of your bad spots. Ooh.
Ooh.
That was good. Duke, did you love that? All right, don't say anything.
No comment.
All right, let's have you stand up a second. Oh, gosh. Let me check you. Let's bring this leg back into extension. Oh, yeah, there you go. Let's bring it up. There we go. Let's bring it forward. Not great forward. Look at that, Duke. Ooh. All right, let's bring this out. Maybe a little adduction. There you go. There. Nice. Let's bring it up again. Okay. A little better. That's what we want. That's what we want. Nice. Okay, better. All right, let's do this side. Oh, that side's stiff. Do you feel that, Duke? Duke, what's going on with you? So this one can make a dog yelp. I don't know if Duke ever yelps, but I'm pulling up on the inside of the hip socket and pull that back up. Then we recheck extension and it should come all the way up now. There you go, good. Good, we got that for you, Duke. Let's do a little tapping on the right spots. Hip and the other hip. Good. Duke, we're done. What do you think of that? I did everything. I did your hips. I checked your range of motion. You didn't have great extension, especially on the back right, so I just improved that for you. I don't know if you could tell a difference right away. And we worked on your cervicals, and it helped you turn to the right, so if you want to look at someone on the right, you'll be able to turn easier, like that, and get a kiss. And we came down your back, found a few spots, so we're done. What are you staring at right now? You looking at something? All right, you want to shake out, or is that too much work for you? Let's see what he's going to do. And he does a little shake out. All right, thanks everybody. Leave Duke a comment. He's fun, isn't he? I like Duke. All right, take care. Thanks. Bring it in. Your little wrists and elbows. And push that out. Yes, stretch, stretch, stretch.